متابعينا الكرام، مرحبا بكم مرة أخرى في الكيني وبالضبط نيروبي باش نشوفوا الجماهير الكينية على من غادي تصوت، أشرف حكيمي أو لا ديمبلي. بقاو معنا.
No, Hakimi. He's very good. Yeah, he's very good.
He plays good football and he always scores. So he's the best.
Hakimi is good.
Hakimi, because he's the best defender in the world. He plays good football and he always scores. So he's the best. He deserves the Ballon d'Or. He deserves.
No, Hakimi. He's very good. Yeah, he's very good. He dribbles very good. He plays very good. He runs. His runs makes the goal. He deserves it. Yeah, deserve it.
Hakimi. Yeah. I'm supporting him. Hakimi. Hakimi is good.